Alright, so here it is, my Publix haul, or Publix heist for the week. This is $117.84 worth of goods. It's all said and done. I had an overage, a moneymaker of $5.04. And as always, that total includes tax. We got to keep it real on our coupon boast here. Real accurate. So this is for the week of February 17th to February 23rd, or February 16th to February 22nd if you live up north. I'm way down south in the state of Florida. I'm going to be doing this every week, so please subscribe to my channel so you can get these deals right off and do them right away. So let's get right into the 14 or so best deals of the week that I thought. So some of these deals I did before, and I did them again because they're came back or they're still around. So let's start with this Mountain Dew energy drink, just a simple Publix digital coupon for a free one. They're $3, so with tax come to $3.23. Publix digital coupon takes $3, so it only cost me 23 cents. Mountain Dew Spark, did this one before and I did it again. It's $2.19 with tax comes at $2.35, and same thing, a Publix digital coupon for a free one, and then ibotta gives you $1 off. And I know Fetch gives you some money back. I didn't even calculate that, but with that said, that's a 91-cent overage right there. Airwick, these things went up a couple days ago, so they used to be $2.79, now they're $3.89. So with tax, they come to $4.18. Publix digital coupon for a free one takes $3.99 off, and there's other coupons. I just bought one of them today. I know there's like a Fetch deal. I couldn't find it, so I just bought one. Because also from the coupons.com app, there's a $1.99 back, so I did that and I had $1.80 overage. Knorr sides, I did this deal the last 2 weeks, and gosh, the deal keeps getting better. They're actually BOGO this week, so they're regularly $1.35 each, so they'd be $5.40 when you buy 4 of them. But as I said, they're BOGO, buy one get one free, meaning they're half that price, $2.70. And I had the $1.50 off 2 manufacturer printable, which they emailed me back in earlier this month. So I used 2 of those, and then I also submitted to Fetch, and that gave me a little more, so about a 60-cent overage right here. And as always, I got the detailed breakdown below this video and the links to print the coupons. This one was emailed to me, however, so you probably won't get one that strong right away, but keep their emails and check them about once a month. They send them out, and that was a good one. So I did that deal. Tom's of Maine peppermint toothpaste, $5.75 with tax comes to $6.18. There is a $2 off Publix digital coupon. It's actually not for the Toms. It is for the Toms, but it says Colgate. But if you search for it, it says Colgate. It also says Toms, and it also says another toothpaste as well. So what you can do is bring up all your Publix digital coupon, just hit load more, load more, load more. Do it from a PC or a laptop, and then I hit Control F. I typed in the word Toms, and it Control F searches for the word. So I search for Toms, I found it, and that is a $2 Publix digital coupon on Colgate or Toms or one other brand. So that's in there. However, it did not come off right away. As you can see, it did not come off as in my digital coupon, but I went to the register customer service after, and they made it right. So anyways, as I said, $6.18 with tax, $2 off from that Publix digital coupon, $2.15 from ibotta rebate, which I did last week and it came back, so I did it again, and $2 coupons.com rebate, and that also is the same thing. It says Colgate, Toms, or another brand. So all in all, $6.18 and $6.15 back from coupons, so that was just 3 cents for that. Guys, Splenda diabetic shakes. Hopefully you subscribe to me and you saw me post a video on the new deals in the extra savings books, because it's the new one that came out that puts these guys at, they're $9.99. So for 3 of them, they cost, actually, I calculated my total wrong. So it's really, instead of $117, it is $9 more. It's $126.84 worth of stuff. Anyways, regardless, These are on sale for $6.99 instead of $9.99, so they would be $29.97. Instead, they are $20.97 for 3 of them. And from the Save January 2nd, so hopefully you still got that, there is a $4 off manufacturer coupon, which takes $12 off when you use 3 of them, because you can use 3, and Ibotta has a limit of 3. So you buy 3 of them and you get $3 off from Ibotta, so that makes $9 off. So spending $20.97, getting back $12 from the manufacturer coupon, $9 from the Ibotta rebate, making that a 3-cent overage moneymaker on that. Chapstick deal, did this as well in my extra savings video. So this is by the register. You can find these. They're $1.79 with tax. They come to $1.92, and you use that Publix digital coupon for the chapsticks. Takes $1 off. I actually did another transaction, so it's not on that one. And you also have $1 from the extra savings book. So spend $1.92, get $1 back from the extra savings books, $1 back from the Publix digital coupon, making that 8-cent overage right there. Garnier Fructis. This is probably the worst deal. I don't know why I did it, but I did it. So these are regular price for these are around $4.49 plus tax. They come to $9.65. However, they're on sale 2 for $7, so that comes to $8.07 when you add the tax. Oh, that's wrong. Let me see. So my calculations are off. 7 times. It comes to $7.49. So $7.49 around there with tax. And there's a $4 off a 2 manufacturer coupon from the Save to 6. So that takes $4 off. Coupons.com has $1 off of 1. So it cost me around $2.54 for both of those. Superpretzel. As you can see, these guys, these are regular price $3.83. So for 4 of them, they would cost you $15.32. However, they're BOGO, which is buy one get one free, so they're half that. They're $7.66. Use $1 off manufacturer printable. I don't believe that link is available, but you still can use. There's a $1 off or $1 off of 2 from the Save January 30th. So I used the $1 off of 1 manufacturer printable. I had 4 of them, so it took $4 off. Ibotta gives you $4 or $1 back, limit of 4 or limit of 5, but I have 4 here, as you can see. So that was $4 back. So spending $7.66, getting $4 back from the manufacturer printable coupons, $4 back from Ibotta, cost me only, or made me 34-cent moneymaker on that. I keep going. Arnicare gel, and I was disappointed because they were priced well, maybe not, I wasn't. So $5.69 they were priced. And as you know me, I'm very aware of the prices of everything, especially after I cash out. So I had a $3 off manufacturer printable coupon. I got the link for that below. So it's supposed to be $5.69. However, they rang up $7.19. If you know anything about me, I do a Publix promise where they basically refund you the amount of the product that you paid, the wrong price, and they give you the item for free. So they refunded me $7.19, and I did use a coupon before that, but they kept the coupon, so that was a $3 overage on that, $3 moneymaker on that. Aquaphor healing ointment. So this is regularly $4, and it was on sale. So it's regularly $4.29. However, it's on sale for $3.97. And from the Save January 30th, there's a $3 off manufacturer coupon, making that only 97 cents. Usually I'm working up to something. So this time I was not working up to something, so I didn't have my high overage this time, but I still had my overage. So Nature's Bounty ginseng, always check the clearance rack, because this is also in the extra savings. There's $3 off of each bottle, store coupon, and then there's $2 off manufacturer coupon from the Save February 6th. So spending $4.49. They're regularly $8.99. When they go on clearance, they put them on half price. So these are $4.49. And there is $3 off from the extra savings, $2 off from the manufacturer coupon, making that a 49-cent moneymaker right there. And finally, a couple more deals here. Clorox fabric sanitizers. So these are regular price is $5.39. So for 4 of them with tax, cost $23.18. However, they're on sale, a little bit off. They're 20% off, so it comes to $3.59. So for 4 of them with tax, comes to $15.44. From the Clorox website, there's a 65 cents off manufacturer printable coupon. I got the link for that below. So I used 4 of those, and that took to $2.60 off. Then Ibotta has $1.25 off of each one. So there was 4 of them. So $1.25 times 4 is $5 off. And then Swagbucks gives you 300 points for every 2 that you buy. And there's a limit of 2, so you can get 600 points back from Swagbucks. So that came back, that's $6 back from Swagbucks. Now, I did have a problem on that, so they're reviewing my receipt. I have not gotten that back because it does say disinfectant spray, and I would say Clorox would say that this is a disinfecting spray as a fabric sanitizer. So we will see what happens. That's kind of up in the air on that, but regardless, they cost me $1.84 if I get that $6 back from Swagbucks. And final deal at this guy is $4.99, and I've done this before. Another extra savings book deal that came out Saturday, so it's still around, be around for another probably 2 weeks or so. This is $4.99. It's a regular price, $2 back from the extra savings store coupon, and you're getting, there's a Publix digital coupon for $2 off, making that only 99 cents. And once again, I wasn't working up to anything, but a surprising Publix perk came off of $5, so I was happy about that. That made my overage of $5.04. Would have had an overage of 4 cents, but hey, $5.04 is a lot better. So once again, paid to shop, doing this every week, so please subscribe to that funny looking guy right there. Check out more videos. I try to put if new deals come out, I'll try to put them right there. And once again, everybody enjoy their couponing this week.